RedisTimeSeries is a Redis stack module that gives you a native, purpose-built data structure for storing and querying timestamped metrics. No hacks, no workarounds. Instead of shoehorning metrics into sorted sets or lists, RedisTimeSeries gives you a dedicated structure that understands time, with retention policies and downsampling baked right in. Internally, a time series key holds an ordered sequence of millisecond timestamps paired with float values, stored in compressed chunks for memory efficiency. Think of it like a stream but optimized purely for numeric samples. TS.CREATE sets up the key with an optional retention window and labels. TS.ADD appends samples, pass star to let Redis timestamp for you. TS.RANGE queries with a time window, and TS.CREATERULE wires up live downsampling. When reviewing a PR, check that retention is always set to avoid unbounded growth, that timestamps are in milliseconds, not seconds, that downsampling rules write to a separate key, and that range queries are bounded, never minus plus on a hot path. RedisTimeSeries turns Redis into a lightweight metric store. Remember, set retention, use server-side timestamps, downsample into a separate key, and always bound your range queries.